How does Vizio TV work? Vizio TVs work by combining high-quality display technology, SmartCast streaming features, and wireless connectivity to deliver an affordable yet feature-rich home entertainment experience. They offer 4K UHD resolution, HDR support, built-in Chromecast, and voice assistant compatibility, making them easy to use and versatile. 1. Display technology and picture quality. Vizio TVs feature LED, QLED, and OLED panels, delivering sharp visuals, deep blacks, and vibrant colors. Many models support Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and full-array local dimming, enhancing brightness and contrast for a more immersive viewing experience. Second, SmartCast platform and built-in streaming. Vizio TVs run on SmartCast OS, which provides built-in streaming apps like Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, and YouTube. Users can browse content, install new apps, and stream directly without needing an external streaming device. 3. Chromecast and Apple AirPlay integration. Vizio TVs come with built-in Chromecast and Apple AirPlay, allowing users to cast videos, music, and photos from their smartphones, tablets, or laptops directly to the TV. This makes it easy to mirror content from multiple devices without extra hardware. Fourth, voice control and smart home compatibility. Vizio TVs support Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, and Apple Siri, enabling users to control their TV, search for content, and manage smart home devices using voice commands. Some models also have Vizio Voice Remote for hands-free control. Fifth, gaming features and performance. Vizio's higher-end models support low input lag, HDMI 2.1, VRR, and 120 Hz refresh rates, making them a good choice for gaming. These features help deliver smooth motion and fast response times for console and PC gamers. 6. Connectivity and audio features. Vizio TVs include multiple HDMI, USB, and audio ports, allowing users to connect gaming consoles, soundbars, and streaming devices. Many models also support Dolby Atmos and DTS:X, providing immersive surround sound for a cinematic experience. Vizio TVs offer a balance of affordability, smart features, and high-quality visuals, making them a great choice for budget-conscious buyers. With SmartCast streaming, voice control, and gaming-friendly options, they provide a versatile and user-friendly entertainment experience.